Hi everybody, I'm Ann with an E, A-N-N-E, and I'm with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel on YouTube. And today I'm making another little short video on saving seeds. This time I'm talking to you about the beautiful spider plant. So without further ado, I'm going to switch over to this beautiful plant. Here we are. I love this spider plant. Hummingbirds, moths absolutely love it. Pollinators love it. And it's a great hummingbird magnet. And every year, until I realized I was just being plain stupid, I was spending anywhere from $20 to $30 on these plants. And I'd always get 2 or 3 of them, and they grow into a nice little bush. And I have this one in a pretty good sized pot, as you can see. Sometimes I direct sow them into the ground too. It doesn't really matter. I like doing them in a pot because they are an annual plant. However, I was doing some research and I discovered, after looking at the plant really close, look what you see here on the little things out to the side. These are seed pods. And although they don't look like they're very full, because this has been blooming quite a bit here in the shade, you can see them. And what I will do once again is I will take my little snippers, the little garden snippers, and I will cut these little seed pods that you see here. And I will cut them off, let them dry. And then next year, I'll be able to plant a whole bunch of these. So, if you have the spider plant and you know what I'm talking about, make sure you're saving the seeds. It's so easy, and I don't know why I didn't think about it before, so I really wanted to share this with you. So, I'll be doing more on saving different seeds for some of your vegetables and other flower plants in the near future, so watch for my little short videos. Be sure to go to the YouTube channel though and find Kai, K-A-I, Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and family, anybody you know that likes gardening and, you know, flowers too. I'm into the flower and the vegetable gardening, and I do have some books on Amazon, and Taffy's Wonderful Miracle is my #1 selling children's book. It's a little coloring book with a children's story, and the children can color the pages. Anyway, if you find Taffy's Wonderful Miracle and you click on that link, you will find my name, Ann with an E, Ann Cheever, and it will take you to my author's page. And I do have some garden journals and different types of journals, all kinds of different books, poetry books, little stories. Anyway, check it out too. So, we love you, stay blessed, and I hope you got something good out of this video so you'll have some seeds for next spring. Love you all. Bye.